Hey guys, welcome to brainAttic. So today we have another very interesting problem from the topic of probability. The topic of probability can become very challenging, and for those who are attempting a competitive exam and have maths included, will obviously know how difficult this topic can be. So this particular question which we have today has been asked in JEE Advanced 2023. So if you do want to give it a try, you may pause the video now and give it a try. Otherwise, let us continue solving the problem. Consider a 6 cross 6 square in the figure. Let A1, A2, all the way to A49 be the points of intersection dots in the picture. So basically, this is your A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, like that. And in some order, the order doesn't matter to us. We see that AI and AJ are friends if they are adjacent along a row or along a column. Assume that each point AI has an equal chance of being chosen. Now, to this passage, we have two questions. Let Pi be the probability that a randomly chosen point has I many friends, where I is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let x be a random variable such that for I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the probability of x equal to I be equal to small pi. Now we have to find the expectation 7 into the expectation of x. So expectation of x is nothing but the mean of x. And in the second question, we have two distinct points are chosen randomly out of the points a1 all the way to a49. Let p be the probability that they are friends. Then the value of 7p is. So to begin solving this problem, right, we will say let me just change the color. Let pi be equal to probability probability of probability that randomly selected point has friends. So from the question itself, it is very clear that number of points having zero friends is not possible. So every point in this figure has a neighbor. So now number of points having zero friends is equal to 0. So it is not possible. But before we begin solving the problem, we have to understand which point in this figure will have how many friends. So the corner points will obviously have two friends. Two friends. How will they have two friends? This guy is your friend number one, and this guy will be the friend number two of the corner points. So for every corner point, we will have two friends. So even this corner point will have two friends, and same for this guy. Same for this guy. All the points on the edge will have three friends. So this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy, right, will have three friends. So let us understand how they will have three friends. So we'll take this guy. So it will have this guy as a friend, this guy as a friend, and this guy as a friend. So it has three friends. And all the points which are in the, so all the edge points will have three friends. I'll just mark all the edge points in case you have any doubts. So all the points on the edge will basically have three friends. So we have covered the corner, we have covered the edges, and we are left with all the points which are there in the middle. So all the points which are there in the middle, right, they will have four friends. Will have four friends. How? One guy in the north of it, one guy in the south of it, one guy in the east, and one guy in the west. So this guy will have four friends. So all the points which are in the middle, right, will have four friends. Now, once we have this concept, right, we will start. So P0, we have already identified that P0 is equal to 0. Probability that a randomly selected has zero friends, point has zero friends, it is not possible. Now, similarly, number of points having one friend This is also not possible is equal to 0. So from the figure itself, we see that there is no case possible where we will have uh, a point having one friend. So P1 is equal to 0. Now, number of points having two friends is equal to 4. So how many points number of points having two friends is equal to 4. So the probability P2 can be written as 4 divided by 49 C1, which is 4 by 9. 4 by 49, my mistake. Now, number of points having three friends is equal to, you can 20 points are there, you can choose any one guy. So 20 C1, which is equal to 20. So P3 is equal to 20 C1 by 49 C1, which is equal to 20 by 49. This we can also write as 4 C1 also. So now number of points having four friends will obviously be all the remaining guys. So 25 C1. This you can give the probability as 25 C1 by 49 C1, which is 25 by 49. Now, once you have all the probabilities with you, right, you can very easily construct the table of the random variable. Okay, so xi is the random variable, right? For I is equal to 0, 1, 2, I'm sorry, what happened? 2, 3, and 4. Your probability Pi is 0, 0, 4 by 49, and 20 by 49, and 25 by 49, my mistake. 49 and 25 by 49. So the expectation, what we are asked to find is 7 expectation of x. 7 into expectation of x is nothing but 7 into 0 plus 0 plus 4 by 49 into 2 plus 20 by 49, 49 into 3 plus 25 by 49 into 4. So this gives us nothing but 100 plus 60 plus 8 divided by 49, and this is equal to into 7, this is equal to 24. So we got the answer of our first question, which is equal to 24. Now coming to the next question, we have the number of ways of selecting two adjacent dots. Two distinct points are chosen randomly from A1 to A49. Let P be the probability that they are friends, then the value of 7P. So number of ways number of ways of selecting two adjacent dots in first row. So we have 7 adjacent dots here, right? The number of ways you can select two adjacent dots will be 6. Similarly, number of ways of selecting two adjacent dots in first column is also 6 because we have 7 adjacent dots. So number of ways of selecting two adjacent dots from the matrix from the matrix can be given as 6 cross 7 plus 6 cross 7, which is nothing but 84. Okay, so we have 7 rows, and selecting from each row we have 6 ways. Similarly, we have 7 columns, and selecting from each column we found out to be 6. So 6 cross 7 into 6 plus 6 cross 7. So finally, the probability P can be written as the probability P can be written as 84 by 49 C2, which is 84 into 2 by 49 into 48. And finally, we are asked to find 7P, which is equal to 784 into 2 by 49 into 48. So we are left with 1 by 2, which is equal to zero point 0.5. So we have our solution to the final question, zero point 0.5. So if you do like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.